So the next dish is really a classic British dish. It's a deep fried potato, otherwise known as a big chip. You get this lovely steamed potato, which looks like that, and then you just break it, so you've got these lovely little, you're trying to create a bigger surface area. So by having all these cracks, like you do a classic roast at home, say, you steam the potatoes and fluff up the edges. It's exactly the same principle. And then what we do is you deep fry it, so it ends up looking like this. So it's got this incredible little gnarly edges on it that's really crispy. We serve it with a classic cream cheese with chives. And then we've got a puree made out of kombu. So again, high in umami. We're trying to create kind of deep flavour where when you eat it, you don't see it necessarily, but when you eat it, it just gives you this massive savoury note that you don't, it's almost like hidden, but it's layers and layers and layers of seasoning. Little chive oil, classic chives with potatoes. And we just put some salt in there. We've made a seaweed sauce as well, so the idea is a nice white wine, mushroom, shallot based sauce using chicken stock, and we finish it with a big handful of dried seaweed, and that gives again a nice kind of like flavour that's high in umami, but also goes really well with this potato dish. I'm going to put some of the seaweed sauce, so this is acting like as if it's butter. Some shallots add some acidity, and then we add some caviar, and the caviar gives it that saltiness. So again, it's a layer of seasoning. To keep the theme, we've got some lovely, just gently cooked samphire. Again, the dish is all high in seasoning. The potatoes deep fry, so it needs that kind of salt element to it. And this is how we bring it all together. Fried potato with caviar and seaweed. Umami to me means deep flavour. I want to really give people a mouthfeel that's umami based.